beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this oha, also known as Oha Soup, as the Igbo people would popularly call it. So let's make some. So to begin, you want to steam your protein of choice. You can use any protein of choice. So we're gonna be cooking this still. It is tender. Next I'll add in my stockfish. You can use dry fish, whatever you have. Okay, so stir everything properly. Next I'll add in my black pepper. You can use fresh pepper for it. I'll add in my crayfish powder and my ogiri. Okay, so we're going to stir everything to combine nicely. Next I'll add in my cow skin and my palm oil. So this is going to be a very quick one. We're going to stir everything to combine nicely, cook till it is tender. Thank you beautiful people for always coming back to watch me. Truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make an amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share the video to your friends and your loved ones. Okay, so next I went ahead to add in my achi, which is my thickener. You can use any thickener of choice. You can also use cocoyam for this. Okay, so I went ahead to stir everything and I added in more water to loosen it up. So this is the consistency I'll be going for. Remember, if it is cold, it will be more thicker. Okay, so this is the consistency I'll be going for. Next I'll add in my oha. You can also use spinach for this. So I've washed it properly and I shredded it with my hands. You can also use knife to cut it and that will be okay. Stir everything together nicely. Test for salt, test for your seasoning, adjust everything to your taste and allow to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, and voila, you have your delicious and simple oha or Oha Soup recipe, as it is popularly called. You can serve this with eba, fufu and pounded yam. Share this to your friends and family and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.